Okay guys, so right now we're in the key of A flat. But it starts on the F minor. Your sixth. So what's your chord progression? It's sixth, B flat minor, E flat major, B flat minor again, and back to your sixth. So it's a 6, 2, 5, 2, in the key of A flat. So guys, this backing track I just created, you can find it at kompakeyboardschool.com, along with sounds, samples, courses, everything you need for Kompa. So let's get back to it. So it's a F minor, B flat minor, E flat major, B flat minor. So B flat minor, B flat is your passing chord. So what's the technique I'm trying to show you guys here today? Now I made this sound last night in the Mod X. So since B flat is your passing chord, you're going to go to B flat in between the F and the E flat. So this is your passing chord. So I'm going to go ahead and use these notes only. Like this is your B flat chord. I'm going to take the F out and add this note. So we're just going to use these 3 notes only when we're on B flat. And then we're going to move it up to the high octave. So let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. So in the solo, this is what I did. So if you guys notice what I'm doing, so this, all of this is the B flat. B flat minor 7, but I'm taking out the F and adding the extra B flat on top. So it's, you see how this sounds good? As like your passing notes. So we're just using these notes here. So, that could be a whole nother solo there, but just by using these 4 notes as your passing chord. So how do we translate that in the key of C? So in the key of C, this would basically be, we're not going to stay on C, but I'm just going to show you. It'll be A minor, D minor, G major, D minor. So what I'm doing in the key of C is I'm taking the D, F, I'm skipping the A and taking the C. And I add that extra D. So. Something like that, guys. So I'm just using these 4 notes in the key of A flat. And then I do it also on the higher octave too. So this is a good technique when you're using your 2 as your passing chord to just take out the 1st, 3rd, and 7th note of the 2 and kind of create a passing chord pattern with that. So that's the technique I want to explain to you guys. So we're going to put the beat on and try different versions of it and see what we can come up with here. So what technique am I doing here? So for my passing chord, right after the F, I already entered it. So this is my passing notes here. So instead of this, I move it up here. I take this from the bottom and I move it up here. Very simple, guys. So I hope you guys catch what I'm doing here. I'm just using these 3 notes as my passing chord. That's the main idea I want to get you guys to understand. So I do one groove where, or I can just take out this bottom one and put it on top and go. Or I can even take out this from the bottom and use the top version. So let's put the beat on again so you guys can hear it. KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips. You will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.